This episode is supported by 23andMe. The UN estimates that by 2050, 3.2 million people will be 100 years or older, compared to only 316,000 in 2011. So what can you do to become part of this elite centenarian club? How can you live to 100? There are some obvious steps like stop getting takeout. 65-year-olds who cooked at home 5 times a week were 47% more likely to live an extra decade. Becoming a vegetarian means you have a 12% lower risk of premature death, and if you have to keep eating meat, lay off the cold cuts. Processed meats like sausage, bacon, and cold cuts are linked to a higher incidence of dying from cancer and heart disease. Less obviously, could you win an Oscar? Winners on average live 4 years longer than their losing peers. Even a Nobel Prize could help, as finalists end up living 1 to 2 years longer than their runner-ups. Now, it may be time to move. The 20 counties in the US with the highest life expectancies also have average altitudes of 5,967 feet above sea level. In Japan, women live to 87 on average and men to 80, compared to the US with 82 and 77 years old respectively. Then, like the Japanese, you should start consuming more green tea and fish. A study of 40,500 Japanese people found that those who drank 5 or more cups of green tea daily had the lowest risk of dying from heart disease. As well, those with a diet rich in omega-3s from fish lived an extra 2.2 years. The World Health Organization recommends at least 150 minutes per week of exercise, potentially adding 4 years to your life. This could be swimming or even shopping. A Taiwanese study found that those who shopped daily, even if they didn't buy anything, lowered their risk of death by 23 to 28%. Also, have sex. One study found that men who had sex only once a month had a 45% higher risk of heart disease than those who had sex 2 to 3 times a week. When it comes to sleeping, a long-term study found that men who got less than 6 hours a night were 4 times more likely to die over the 14-year period of the study. With this in mind, it's important to be realistic, literally. A German study found that those who overestimate their future happiness have a higher risk of death compared to their peers who predicted a darker future. People who identify as Hispanic live an average of 2.5 years longer than the average American. Researchers hypothesized that values of family togetherness provides a longevity boost. A Polish study found that dads of girls lived 74 weeks longer on average than fathers of sons, and if you're a woman, be more like Beyoncé and hope for twins. New research has discovered that having twins could be an evolutionary adaptation where healthy moms pass on double the genes at once, and these moms are also known to live longer. When it comes to planning your life, get married. A Danish study of gay men found that those who were married had lower mortality rates. But don't get married to the wrong person. Another study of 1,700 married adults found that the more a couple argued, the worse their health. Don't force retirement, as the Harvard Longevity Project found that those who had satisfying careers and continued to work into their 70s made it to older ages. And just throw a pet in there as well. Research shows that both cat and dog owners tend to live longer than those without. Even if you haven't been living healthy so far, it's never too late to start. A study found that taking on healthy habits like eating good food, exercise, meditation, and support from friends and family can increase the length of your telomeres, the caps on the end of your chromosomes that fray as we age. So get started with all these tips and start prepping for the 100-year-old birthday bash. Special thanks to 23andMe for sponsoring this video. If you've ever wanted to understand your own DNA and see which regions of the world your ancestors come from, or how your DNA influences physical traits and health, then check out 23andme.com/ASAP. We've tried it ourselves and found out that Greg has a lot of Neanderthal DNA, while Mitch found out why he loves pizza so much. All you have to do is spit in a tube and they'll analyze your 23 pairs of chromosomes, which is where the name comes from. Again, head to 23andme.com/ASAP to learn more about yourself now. You can also check out our second video, Where Do People Live the Longest, by clicking the screen or using the link in the description.